Okay guys, so welcome back to another video. I'm back. Do you know what it is? I've not been very active with making videos, have I? Main reason is, do you know what it is? It's the editing. I can't edit it at the moment. Anyway, let's get straight into it. So today I'm on my brand new KTM 350 EXCF. It's fully road legal, got it number plate, road registered, everything, MOT. It's got a little horn here. Well, it won't work because it's not on, but yeah. We've got little headlights here. I think I said mooses front and rear, so we can't get them punctures when we're going off road. Like I said, yeah, it needs a clean, but do you know what it is? Let's just get straight into the video, you know? Yeah. I hope you guys can hear me. Right, so we need to go left, I believe. Yep, left. That were a fast, wasn't it? My eyes are screaming already. I'm still only getting used to this, guys. I'm still a bit shit at it, but we get there. Need one of those bash plates. Right guys, so I'm hoping that looks good on camera. I'm so bad on bikes, honestly. I've got a forearm pump, you can see the veins are coming out, my arms aching already. Like on the road it's fine, but when you're on there, you're holding on, then you're also trying to feather the clutch. And yeah, it's just me, I need to get used to it. Used to being on that serum. Oh no. We'll give this a go though. well, now I've come down, I've got to go up, haven't I? Okay, let's just send it. Woo. Definitely fucking frog legging it, whatever it's called. Feet weren't on pedals at all. But yeah, that was good fun. Right, on to the next. Me showing you that side, also me. It's a bumpy one. It's a bumpy one. Little bird flying. Yeah, it's nice. I came down here with my car once, in my Shogun. If you want to see that, you can go watch that video, me driving my car. I think I've got a couple of them. Good videos, I think. I had fun making them. There's one in the snow, and then there's one just riding around on, like on the roads. Woo. Look at all the stuff behind. Right. Woo. Every gear, this bike just loves to bloody spin the back wheel. I think the key is you've got to be loose on the bike, you know. If you're all tight, it's not going to work. And I found that the hard way when I first started riding bikes. I used to be proper stiff like this, and I used to always fall off. Now that I'm loose, you've got to set the bike flow underneath, use the controls. You've got the throttle that helps you straighten up a little bit, then that clutch and you'll be right. Woo! I've made it to where I thought was a green lane. I mean, I'm not too sure if it is. There's not really any signs. On the maps it shows I've checked everything. There's not like them proper signs that tell you, so I'm not too sure. But I might give it a go, you know, just go up there, just have a look, see if there's any signs up there. But if you look, it's like a track. You can see like 4x4s and all that have been up here. So I'm gonna go ride up slowly and have a look to see. If you look, it looks like people drive cars up here. On here. Wow, a lot of rocks here. Wow guys, this is mental. It's so beautiful up here. This is the first time I've properly gone off-roading on this. It's made me realise that I definitely need to invest into some proper gear. Yeah, you'd snap your ankles so easily here and all here in these little rocks. One little placement wrong, whatever. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, I'm gonna invest in some boots. I've got some boots, but they're not motorcycle ones, you know what I mean? I've got some old ones too. I want to get some proper adventure boots, just, you know, protect myself. But yeah, wow, look at this. Beautiful, beautiful. Good Good job I've got the mooses too. There we go. So bumpy. Gives me so much respect for these top athletes, what you see. Like Graham Jarvis, Johnny Walker, but yeah, anyway, I just need to, yeah. Woo. Getting a little bit tricky here. Down should be entertaining, to say the least. Yeah, give it a go. Oh, I can smell my pants burning. They're melting on the exhaust. That's what I mean, I need boots. Because I'm not no fucking professional at off-roading. Let's go down here. A little bit easier. Wow, now I see what they mean on YouTube when I'm watching all these videos. I see what they mean. It is bloody hard work, it's tiring. And then there's me thinking, yeah, that'd be a piece of cake, that'd be so easy. But now I know. For the chit chat though, let's get on with it. Woo. Oh, drop vehicles and animals. Wow, I didn't know places like this existed, to be honest, area. Wow, beautiful. See, I'm not going to go too fast because I don't know this area. I've nearly ran out of battery, but fucking, I've just realised why there's so many little like green lane tracks around here. Because I've gone up north by accident. Well, boys track, but I've gone that far. I'm in a different fucking, whatever you want to call it, county. Yeah, I'm in North Yorkshire now, so that's why. Up near Dales and stuff. But let's see. Yeah, look, this is a little road. Maybe this isn't a road. Okay, go this way, see what's over here. Woo. Road ahead, road. There's always a way. Where there's a will, there's a way. Wow! Wow! Wee! Whoppa! Oppa, oppa, oppa. There's so many flies. Oh, look at them little sheep. They're stupid. petrol head, aren't I? Fucking hell, man, this is the reason of his life. Nearly fucked it up then, nearly ended in fucking back of an earth. Petrol's out, what am I gonna do?